Hi everybody, and welcome to this episode of Beth's Fest. I have something special for you today. We are going to check out Disney's new Riviera Resort. We are going to check out a studio and a one-bedroom which connect to be a two-bedroom lock-off. Let's check it out. Your home for room tours, guides, and reviews. New videos posted the first Friday of every month, so hit subscribe and the bell. So we just finished up the preview event. That was a pain in the butt to try and film because we're there with a handful of other people. I did do my best for you, so hopefully you were able to get a good look at the new deluxe studio and the one bedroom, which you can book together as a two-bedroom block-off. They will also have two-bedroom dedicated villas as well. And I have the point guide here, and one of the things we talked about is that this resort is going to have something new. Riviera is going to be the first resort to have what they're calling a tower studio, which is not to be confused as with the deluxe studio, which is what we just saw. The deluxe studio and the one bedroom will both sleep 5 guests. Now the tower studio is only going to sleep 2 guests. Basically, it's a very small room, only about 250 square feet, and it's going to have a drop-down Murphy bed for 2 guests. That's it. No other bed, just the drop-down Murphy bed, a TV, supposedly a small kitchenette area, a balcony, and a small bathroom. So that's going to be your room for just people who are literally just using it as a place to crash. And that does reflect in the points chart. So in adventure season, for example, if you're a DVC member, you're very familiar with the point chart. In adventure season, the most affordable season, the tower studio is going to run you only 11 points per night for a weeknight versus the deluxe studio, I believe, is going to be 15, which is the same as Copper Creek and Wilderness Lodge. That's right in that kind of sweet spot that a lot of the deluxe studios have been starting at with the new resorts that they've been building. That's actually a little bit less than what you're going to have for, that's a standard view. That's a little bit less than what you're going to have for a standard view at, say, Polynesian or the Grand Floridian. The Polynesian, I believe, is 16 a night starting, and the Grand Floridian is 17 a night starting. And again, that's just for standard. There will also be another view category for preferred view, which will be higher in the tower so that you'll have a view of Hollywood Studios in the distance. You'll be able to potentially see Illuminations or whatever the new fireworks show is going to be at Epcot. Then they'll also have a standard view, which is going to be the inside, the building shaped like a U, almost like Bay Lake is. And so the standard view is going to be on the inside of that U, looking out towards the main feature pool in the middle of the resort and looking out across the lake over at Caribbean Beach. So it doesn't look like there's going to be really any terrible views here at Riviera. I went into this a little skeptical because it's next to Caribbean Beach, which, as you guys know, you Disney fanatics know, is a moderate resort. So as a DVC member, I went, oh, I don't know how I'm going to feel about that. And actually, I think the rooms are really nicely finished. They do feel very much, which is what our guide kept saying, and I agreed with him, they feel very much like the Grand Floridian. There's a very high finish quality, which I think is intentional because a lot of members were concerned about the location being near a moderate. Of course, you're going to be right on that Skyliner, so you'll be able to, you know, jump on the Skyliner and head over to Hollywood Studios or Epcot. You will not be able to walk at this point, so that's something to be aware of. They're also going to have a signature restaurant, supposedly a bit to like California Grill, on the top of the tower with views in the evenings of the fireworks and the parks in the distance. So yeah, we just checked out Riviera. Looks to be really interesting. It's opening in December of this year. Hit subscribe, that way you'll see when my next video posts. I'm here for 10 days right now. You guys know I'm always here. So hit subscribe. I do a lot of dining reviews, a lot of room tours. That way you'll know exactly when I'm dropping something new. Hit that bell. Thank you so much for watching this video on the new Riviera Resort, and I'll see you again real soon.